So hey guys, making an update on my birds, and yeah. So this is a pair that I have. I figured out which one's the male and which one's the female. The one on the left is the female, and the one on the right is the male. You haven't really have names for them yet. So it has the same cage setup. The only thing new is I added that little thing back there that's holding like two treats. It's like some chewable treats. And yeah, so this is the second pair that I have. And over here we have the breeding pair. I haven't, sorry for not making videos lately, but right now she has 3 eggs. So I'm pretty happy about that. They should be hatching, well, pretty sure she should be having more eggs. They should be, if they do, they'll hatch somewhere in February 20th, around there. They should, or before that, the first egg before that. But, yeah, they're on, I think, 3rd or 4th egg in there. Don't want to really disturb her, but she's in there sitting on them. So you can tell that's her right there. And the male's back there. She's just chilling back there. She's right there. Kiwi, she's the green one right there. Sorry you can't really see that much, but yeah, today was cleaning cage day, so I cleaned their cage. They got their 2 food bowls in there, another food bowl, mineral block, and then they have their cutter bone and their water. Purge, chewy choy, swing, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, I'm expecting some babies. The eggs should be fertile because before that, I was doing like this little chart and I was observing them, and they had, I think they probably mated like 7 times before she even laid the first egg. So I'm pretty sure they have to be fertile. So yeah guys, I got rid of the finches. I don't have the finches no more. This cage is empty. Down here the cage is gone. I sold everything down there. So yeah, I'm expecting some babies soon. So yeah, I'll show you the other babies. So, well, these are not really babies, but they're becoming adults soon. So yeah, so this is them. For now, we could just call them Violet, which is the one on the left, and Blue, the one on the right. And then over there we have Kiwi and Twinkie. So yeah, so please comment, rate, and subscribe for upcoming videos. See you guys.